You're under arrest, criminal scum. Who, me? Oh no, it's him. Ma'am, that's the biggest pervert we have ever seen. Is that so? Cavity search now. With pleasure. Uh-oh. Hello everybody, welcome to Cardboard Kizuna. It's time to build some Kizuna. Today we've got a box of Nukitashi the Animation from Weiss Schwarz Rose. I haven't seen this anime, but I do know a little bit about it. The main character is sent to an island, and at the island there is rules that you can't not engage in lewd behaviors. So kind of the opposite of Shimoneta, if you've seen Shimoneta. I've actually already opened one box of these, and I had technical difficulties with my camera, so yeah, not cool. But this is one of the cards I pulled on OFR. As you can see, there is some spicy artwork in this set. This may be the spiciest card. But yeah, instead of giving y'all a video with weird beeping from my face camera and some other stuff, I decided, you know what, I ordered 2 boxes of these. I'm gonna open up a brand new box. We'll get the cameras all working correctly. Yeet. And give you a better quality video instead of trying to reuse that old footage. So we're gonna get into it. Some of these cards, they look pretty normal for the most part until you get to something like this, where you get some of the little skimpier outfits going on. She's got a little bit of bikini top. I don't know, I feel like she's like the class president or something. If y'all have seen this anime, let me know how it is. Is it similar to Shimoneta with the humor? Shimoneta was kind of took me by surprise. Believe it or not, my wife actually watched that, and that's not normally her cup of tea, but she really enjoyed it. So if this is similar to that, maybe I can get her to watch this too. And our first SR. This SR is kind of weird. Look at the top of that. It's almost like they cut the card down and then they have these numbers at the top. I'm sure they mean something maybe related to the anime. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Where's the rest of your head? Huh? Where's the rest of your head at? Okay. 1 SR. I believe every pack comes with an SR. So don't be shocked if we see one every single time. Obviously, we'd love to get some of the signed cards. We're always shooting for signed cards. Uh-oh. We got another double rare coming up. She looks cute, holding a little rifle of some kind. Kind of adorable looking. Oh, here she is again, the double rare. Now she's looking at it. Hey, okay. Oof, scary. Don't point that at me, ma'am. Alright, giving a little speech or something. Here's our SR. Kind of a plainish looking card. There is some foiling on there. Kind of subtle. She got like a little bit of a spooked expression. Whew, what happened? Okay, yeah, this card right here that I pulled from the first box that I failed to record properly. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. Yeah, this was the very first pack. I was like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be a spicy box. I'm excited. Okay, got us a little horizontal card. You know, I can only see half of her face, but I've seen enough anime to know that that's a lusty expression. Yeah, I'm an anime veteran of lusty expressions. Okay, got like a little top hat, magic hat thing going on. Move that to the side. Okay, she's a little bustier than some of the other girls. Let's see. Got some pretty cool looking glasses on. Real spiky. Ooh, look at this. Kind of jumping. I don't know what she's doing. Is that what they wear on the soccer fields? Look at that outfit. Yeah, the background looks like she's on some type of sports field. I know I should have played sports. Alright, our next SR. Got a little bit of green on it. This looks like the main girl who was kind of giving the speech earlier. Maybe class president or something. I don't know, she's got kind of dead eyes though. Like dead fish eyes. Ooh. Scary. Okay. Next SR down. Yeah, these rose packs don't really have that many cards into them. They feel pretty thin. Ooh. That's a heck of a uniform right there. Saving on fabric. Ooh. Okay. She looks a little frustrated, a little angry. What is this? I can't even tell what this is. Some kind of mascot, maybe? Why is the yellow bars at the bottom? I remember from the first box, the yellow bars kind of like censored the man in certain sensitive areas. So I can't really tell what this is censoring, if it's censoring anything. Maybe we'll get to the bottom of it with more. Hey, it's the girl again with the rifle. And what appears to be a helicopter or train or something. How serious is this that they pull out the guns? Oh, hello. Okay, I like these school outfits. Yeah, these school outfits aren't bad. No complaint. Hey, look, I got the SP version. Oh my goodness. Wow. What are the odds? Oh. 2 boxes. I pulled the OFR version and then the SP version. Wow. How it's not going to be very often that I just happen to have 2 of the exact same card and we can compare, see what it looks like. I mean, obviously the foiling is a little bit different. You can see some of the foiling on the stamping in the background. That's not on this one. Sorry, I'm trying not to get it to look even the way I don't know what that says, future maybe? It's not foiled the same way. It's got like gold foiling. Wow, that's pretty neat. What are the odds? Huh, okay. Yeah, this one definitely looks better. It has more gold foiling on it. I mean, obviously the card just looks fantastic on its own. Yowza. Oof, even the way she's crouched down. Whew. Okay. What are the odds we pull this at the same time? 2 packs, or 2 boxes, pulled the same card. This is probably going to be the high-end rare for that. Okay. Well, alright, miss. You can go right here, right in the middle. Everybody can see you without moving around. Whoa. Neat. Okay, more bikini shots. I don't know what she's doing. Lifting something heavy, maybe. Lifting something else heavy. Okay, a little innocent expression, kind of plain. What is this? Just a building? I can't tell what's special about this. It does have some chains hanging off of it. I don't know if that's normal in architecture. I've seen chains hanging on walls, and that's usually a sign of... never mind. Let's not talk about that. Okay, she looks like she just took a bite of something, and she's enjoying it. It's making me hungry. Got us a rare group of people looking around. What are they looking at? I don't know. Okay, SR guy. He's got like a little sweat droplet. Maybe a little nervous. A little flustered. Yeah, if y'all have seen this anime, let me know. I'm curious about it. If it's similar to Shimonetta, I really like Shimonetta. And if you don't know what Shimonetta is, it's a world where dirty jokes don't exist. So it's against the law to do a bunch of lewd stuff. So the girls don't know anything about sexuality. And the main guy and the main girl are kind of fighting against it. So that's a little synopsis from my memory. It's been a while. Alright, so I've seen this girl before. I recognize those pasties. Yes, I definitely recognize those pasties. Yes, that is certainly the same girl. Yeah, she's got a, I don't know, a little bit of a playful expression. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've seen this in a dream before. So I recognize the skimpy school outfits and also the guns. My dreams are crazy. Very crazy. Okay, so this is more the yellow bars we saw earlier. And yeah, I'm assuming they're censoring the guy, because there's a guy under there somewhere. They didn't bother censoring the upskirt on the girl, but definitely it looks like those are kind of converging and censoring maybe his lower region. Okay, this looks like the cover art on the box. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Oh, I recognize you in the back. You can't hide from me. We see you. We see you. Okay, let's move that on. Next SR. Seen this card before. Nothing super crazy with that. Yeah, I messed that box up, the first box, last night. And I was so disappointed at work today that I actually came straight home to record this video. Because I really wanted to get it out there. And I don't really need an excuse to open more cards. I can do that all the time. I guess I'll comment on this one. It looks like a bird. Maybe it was the same bird we saw earlier. And is it holding up a middle finger? Is that as close to a middle finger as a bird can get with their wings? I don't know. Okay, it's Class Prez, maybe. That is a skimpy bikini bottom on there. Whew. Yeah, okay. I mean, I like the outfit. She wears it well. Okay, dude, seen him before. Kind of a maybe younger girl. She's got the very cute little anime cowlick haircut thing going on. Yeah. Oh, we got another OFR. Whoa. Okay, hey, it looks like the same girl. A little bit cheekier. Yeah, definitely a little bit cheekier. Huh. Okay, that's kind of cool. Yeah, the first box, all I did was get an OFR. This time I got an OFR and an SP. Yeah, that's very cute artwork. Can't deny that. Yeah, imagine what this SP would look like with all the letters in the background all foiled out in gold. Okay, cool. Let's put this in a sleeve too while we're at it. Why not? I don't know if it's worth anything, but better safe than sorry. Yeah, this box has been doing pretty well for us. Not bad. I can't complain. Okay. I got 3 packs left. If you haven't done it, please subscribe. Help me reach 100 subscribers. We can open this box. Told myself once I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to open up this box of No Game, No Life. I've been holding it for a while. I'm going to say these things run for about 400 to 450 online. At least last time I looked, which has been a while. So yeah, if you want to see this, and this is heavy. You can tell this isn't a Weiss Schwarz Rose box. This thing it's got some weight to it. But yeah, look, I can show the face camera. Ah. Okay, back at it. Almost done. Almost done. Let's clean up some trash. Okay, well, it's a cute pose. I always like kind of the embarrassed look. I don't know what she's embarrassed about. She's wearing more clothes than all the other girls around her. And I always like seeing like the navel drawn in there because the clothes are so tight. Whoa, what's happening to her? She must have just bumped into a corner of a table maybe. I don't know. But it has that kind of weird like cutoff thing at the top. This one doesn't have numbers though. It has some circles and hearts in it. But yeah, that's yeah, something just surprised her. She's feeling things she didn't know she could feel. Aye, aye, Captain. All right. Oh, this one's pretty dark. Get the light just right. Yeah, it's an eyeball. I don't know the characters well enough to understand whose eyeball that is, but that is definitely an eyeball. Okay. Whoa, this is a rare. Yeah, she's very busty. Yeah, she's very, very top heavy. Okay, RSR. There's our army of skimpy clothed girls. They're not holding the guns though, which you know, it's not lore accurate to my dream. In my dream, they were absolutely holding guns and absolutely wearing skimpy outfits. Okay, got a pretty normal. Looks like I can see a little bit of a bikini top on there. Maybe that's what they all wear. Okay. It's hard to tell, but this is a swole girl right here. I can tell just by the way she's drawn with the abs and the thickness and the shoulders. Yeah, she must be the muscle. I'm surprised we didn't get more of her. I wouldn't mind seeing more just to see what her whole body looks like. Okay, she got a little bit more of the dead fish eyes and the cute uniform. All right. Yeah. I could foresee this happening. Yeah. Know where his face is planted. Alright, so this is another one of those where it's got the censoring on it. If I had to guess, the dude is probably under there, and these yellow bars are censoring something that we should not be seeing. Nope. Okay, we saw this picture already. This is the regular version. Here's the SR. Foiling is, you know, kind of plainish looking. Got these little, like, patterns in it. Alright, last pack. Honestly, I can't complain about this. This box was slightly better than the first. And I think we got the sexiest card twice. What are the odds? And I happen to have it right here on the desk with me because I was going to show y'all. Oh, and she's like, look, my ID. Anime logic, I'm an adult. Oh, what is going on here? Yeah, that's a face. I've seen that face before. Whoa, double rare. Kind of dark. Oh, I think this is the... Is this the school president or class president looking girl? The blood running out. Oh my god, look at those dead eyes. That is scary looking. Her face almost looks like the mask from V from Vendetta, or one of those theater masks. Yeah, nosebleed. Surprised my nose isn't bleeding after some of these cards. Okay, got us a little gang of girls posing. Yeah, they're all cute. And our last SR, we got a horizontal SR. Alright, cool. Yeah, she's pointing, wearing a bikini. She's probably like, alright, pass the ball to this person. Something super mundane. Okay, so that's all. Let's do a quick review. We just saw this horizontal card of our SRs. Fairly plainish. Aye, aye, Captain. Sir, yes, sir. Okay. Kind of normalish looking. The dude. It's the dead-eyed fish school president, class president. Yeah, I recognize her. She was the incredibly busty girl. This one's missing the top of the card. Almost feels like a misprint, but everything else on there is pretty perfect. And we'll look at our OFR. Got us a cheeky looking card right here. Got a little bit of a kind of bashful expression going on. And the big pull of the box, the SP. Wow. That's kind of cool looking. Yeah. You know, those words are kind of getting in the way just a little bit, just enough. Okay, well, that's it. If y'all haven't done so, please like and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.